Hello everybody, this is Rollo with Winterbrose, and in this video segment for pulse mode blending, we're going to cover the X, Y, and Z axi within Blender 2.83. You can see here we're running Blender version 2.83.4, so we'll go ahead and get started. We'll quickly go in here, and there's the default cube in the viewport. If you notice up here above the little pan and zooming handles, you'll see this little multicolor diagram, and you'll see that the blue has a little Z at the top of it going up and down. So basically in the 3D environment, the Z axis is up and down. You can see here the X is going, if you look at compared to the one on the screen, it's coming like front to back, but it's kind of like left to right technically. And then of course, and you can see it actually moves around as we go, so there you would go. And then of course the Y is from front to back. So basically those are three axes. So basically if you did something right click like grab for this cube like we did earlier, which you can just move it everywhere, but if we hit the Z, it'll stick it. There you go. The Z axis shows up while we're in grab mode, and you can see it's just only can go up and down on the Z. Of course, then if we do a grab and go Y, you'll see it only goes front and back, and the Y highlighted. Then of course if we do a grab and go X, you'll see it stays along the X axis. So I'm not sure why by default the Z axes don't show up in the viewport, but that's just how it is, I guess. And just wanted you guys to know that the X means left and right from the center point, Y is front and back, and of course the Z is up and down. Hope you enjoyed this video presentation. Have a great day.